there, Christy here from MakingItInTheMountains.com. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm here with my sweet little son Carson, and we are just getting ready for our day. I'm heading off to work to teach grade 1 today. Mr. Mann is heading off to kindergarten, and we are taking a break from our crazy busy morning, getting ready and getting out the door on time to share one of our favorite quick healthy on-the-go breakfast ideas. So what are we eating today, buddy?
Breakfast cookies.
Breakfast cookies. Cookies for breakfast. And they have all sorts of good stuff in them, including raisins and carrots. They're nut-free, they're vegan, so really healthy option for breakfast on the go. All right, friends, I can't wait to show you how simple these healthy breakfast cookies are to make. So once you've gathered all of your ingredients, you're going to start by dumping all of your dry ingredients into a large mixing bowl. Once you've added all of your dry ingredients to the mixing bowl, you want to give it a good stir to make sure everything is combined. With all of your dry ingredients all mixed up, you're going to add your carrots and your raisins right on top. Stir in those carrots and raisins until everything is well combined. Next up, you're going to pour in your melted coconut oil and maple syrup. Now, I like to melt my coconut oil in a glass measuring cup in the microwave and then just dump in the maple syrup right on top so that everything pours out really nicely. Give it all a really good stir so that there's no dry bits left in the bowl. Then scoop the cookie batter out onto a lined baking sheet, 1/4 cup at a time. A 3-tablespoon baking scoop makes really quick work of this. I'll be sure to leave a link in the description box below. Throw the cookies into the oven at 375 for about 15 minutes, and then transfer to a wire rack to cool. These little cookies are the perfect healthy breakfast or snack on the go. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed these healthy breakfast cookies as much as we do. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel for even more farmhouse style DIY, decor, and recipe ideas.